Hi everybody, how are you today? I have a 12 by 12 inch canvas here and I'm going to do a Dutch pour on it. I've already laid down a layer of white. Get any air bubbles out of it. And I've picked some colors today. I have a Deco Art. This is a metallic berry. I believe this is a Master's Touch Ultramarine and Master's Touch Gold. And what I've done is I've mixed them up in some little Dixie cups so that they're a little bit thinner. I pre-mix them in these squeeze bottles, but I leave them a little bit thick so I can use them for different types of pours. And I'm going to start out, I'm going to try and do this a little bit differently. I'm going to take my ultramarine and put down a circle of it. And then I'm going to go in with the metallic berry. Do the same. I'm hoping I don't have too much paint on here, but I think it'll work out. And then in with the gold. And take my thinned out white, put a nice layer around it. And get my blow dryer. Not sure if it's going to work on low. We'll try. Perfect. Oh, look at the cells coming out. So pretty. I was hoping it would pick up some of that white and make some really pretty cells. Turn it around a little bit. Give it a look. Kind of want to soften the edge over there. I'm going to get a straw. Maybe I can move it down a little. Ooh, got a lot of paint on there. Just a little bit afraid of that. Put a little bit of white in here. There we go. That's what I was looking for. It's beautiful. I love that color combination together. It just makes such a pretty, pretty look. So here we go, guys. And pick it up so you can get a close-up look. Some of the cells over here, they're very pretty. Thanks for coming to paint with me today. Appreciate it. If you like my videos, please subscribe. I appreciate it. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, but it does support me quite a bit. Hit the like button and share it with your friends.